Today, we will discuss the output and price determination of monopoly firm in short run. First of all, we need to answer the question providing the definition. Definition of the monopoly market structure is written. Monopoly is the market structure, one type of market where there is single seller, only one producer or seller, and many buyers. The buyers are many more. Monopoly producer either has control on price or supply. By supply, it controls the market, or by the price. The monopoly firm is known as the price maker. Yes, it does not accept the price set by the market, rather, it makes the price to employed in the market. After that, we have written the assumption of the monopoly market structure. Single seller or the producer is, and price maker firm makes the price, not price taker. Bad new firm cannot enter, so that barrier to entry and exit. The artificial and the policy level barriers are created. No close substitute of goods. There is no any other goods that can substitute, that can be used in the place of the goods produced by the monopoly producer. Next, profit maximization. We have written here 5 assumption, and then after there is the necessary condition for the there are necessary condition for equilibrium or the price and output in the market. The first condition is marginal cost MC must equal with the marginal revenue MR, marginal revenue MR, and then marginal cost must cut MR from below. That is the second condition. And then next condition of the firm in short run. Condition of the firm in short run, the monopoly firm would be one, excess supernormal or abnormal profit. That is same, very same. Excess, either you can say excess profit or supernormal profit or normal profit. This condition will be in this condition firm's average revenue will be greater than the average cost. And second condition, the firm in short run would be normal profit. That means the average revenue would be equal with the average cost. And in third, there the firm would be in loss. Means average revenue AR would be less than the average cost. Second one, how average revenue and the average cost are equal, the firms will be in normal profit. The question may rise, especially normal profit is also the cost of the organization, so that the normal profit is included or added on the cost, so that when average cost should be equal with the AR, that means average revenue, the firm will be enjoying the normal profit. That is the condition. These three conditions can be explained by figure A's. In short run, monopoly firm either will be in supernormal profit, or in normal profit, or in loss. There are three conditions. In three conditions, with the firm will go. It is not necessary that is to make this graph or the figure in the same diagonal, but for our ease, we have made on the same diagonal. This you y-axis represent R and C, means revenue and the cost. Okay, and then this is origin. This side in this y-axis, x-axis say x-axis represent output. This is AR curve and MR curve. These are same like in all market. Yes, all market there are same like, and only there and then we will decide the output of the firm where MC will cut MR from below. This is MR curve cut MC by MC. This MC, okay, MC cuts here, and the output is determined here. This is the output produced by this firm, excess profit, and the price of the firm will be determined as per the AR, so that this is price P. Price of the firm A, you can say this firm A is OP price. OP price in the market, selling OQ quantity. This firm will produce OQ quantity. And how the output is determined? MC got MR at this point, and so output is determined here. Same ways, in case of the normal profit, determination of the output is same. MC will cut MR from below in that way. MC it is. MC cuts here, and in this way output to be produced is determined. Let us say it is Q2 and it is origin, OQ quantity was produced. This form B, let us say, this form B produces OQ quantity. Okay, OQ quantity. More than that, if it produces, it will not win. It can't produce. It form does not produce. The price of the form would be decided as per the AR. This is AR, and that is the price will be set equal with AR. That is P price. Let us say it is P1, and OP1 is the price to sell OQ2 quantity by this form in case of normal profit. Let's go on next. Loss. The form would be loss when AR is less than AC. The output of the form will be decided same like in that way. Output of the form is decided. Okay, this is MC curve. This MC curve curves MR at this point, and output is decided as output Q, OQ2 say, OQ3 say, okay, OQ3 is produced. This OQ3 output is sold in this price, let us say P2. Yeah, P2 is the price to sell OQ3. This condition, in this output is determined. And so let us see here in the next, from the first picture we will start the firm's average revenue. Average revenue while producing OQ quantity is this portion, this line indicates. Let us say you can keep the name. Yes, let us see D. We write D. QD is the average revenue of the firm. Average revenue should be greater than AC. Means this point should be greater than AC, so that AC should be less than this point to get the supernormal profit. So we draw AC from here, and in this AC, while going up to AC, it will decrease. After MC it tosses, it increases their AC curve. It is AC curve. While making the AC, the average revenue, average cost is, while producing OQ quantity, average cost is up to this point. This is average cost for producing OQ quantity. Let us say it is D of, say. Here Q of is cost, QD is revenue, QD average revenue is greater than QF, so that firm is in supernormal profit or excess profit. Let's explain this figure. In this case, the average revenue is, let us say D1, Q2, D1 is average revenue. In this case, average revenue and average cost, average revenue and average cost should be equal. Okay, so that the average cost will go from this point in that way. Come here, it will tangent to this point. In this way, up to the MC decreases, and after it touches MC, it start to increase. Because why? AC at the minimum point of AC, MC should cost. So after this point, AC should rise up. The price OP1 and average revenue Q2 QD D1 and average cost Q2 D1 are same. That means to say firms is in normal profit, because average revenue and average cost while producing OQ quantity is same. Let's go to the next. This is the output produced by this firm. Let's say this is C firm. C firm produces output Q3. Its average revenue is D2, say it is. Let's put the name D2. D2 Q3 D2 is average revenue while producing OQ3 quantity, and this is the form. This form will explain the loss. So average revenue should be small than AC, so that the average revenue must be above this point. So in this way, average revenue come in that way up to the MC and will increase after that, and average revenue would be this portion. This is equal to loss. This minus area explain you loss. And in this figure, this plus region This plus plus region will explain with the x. Here we explain the figure. In all the three panels, y-axis shows the cost. This y-axis of all cost and revenue, while x-axis explain output. X-axis explain the output. The output is explained, and all three forms get equilibrium at the point where MC chords MR from below. In this form, MC chords here is output decided. In this form, MC chords MR here output decided, and here is output decided. Figure A shows average revenue QD. This average revenue is QD, hey, and average cost Q of, okay, greater than average cost Q of greater than QD is greater than average cost Q of, and supernormal profit is plus plus shaded area. Supernormal profit of the firm is plus plus shaded area. This area plus plus shaded area. Normal profit. Figure B shows average revenue Q2 D1 equal to average cost Q2 D1. Hence, it explains normal profit. You can see in the figure, this cost is also, average cost is also this, and average revenue also this. It is equal, AR and SCR equal normal profit. In that way we have explained. Now we explain the loss. Panel C in the figure explain loss. Since average revenue is Q3, Q2, D2 here is less than the average cost. Means average cost is greater. Okay, hence loss is, that is shaded area minus shaded area. You can see in the picture. Here you can see this is revenue Q3 D2 and cost is Q3 D4. This is cost is greater, that much amount greater. This area minus area represent the loss. Okay, this is the short-run equilibrium of the monopoly form I explained. I hope students, the learners will understand in a very better way.